Interrupted by dry eyes? Get fast-acting relief with Hydrosense eye drops, made with a naturally sourced lubricant. Hydrosense eye drops.
Having triplets is amazing.
Expensive.
So we switched to the bargain detergent, but we ended up using 3 times as much, and the clothes still weren't as clean as with Tide.
So we're back with Tide, and the clothes are clean again.
3 times the laundry and get a Tide clean.
It's got to be Tide.
All right, break time. Want to watch TV?
I don't think we can do that.
Of course we can. Fire TV. We can watch TV anywhere we want.
Huh. Hey, do they have the good doctor?
Oh, yeah. There he is.
Oh my God, such a good actor. Just call him the best doctor.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, you can watch live news.
Progress. A robbery is currently taking place at the Museum of History. Police officers are...
Enjoy the best TV app anywhere you are.
Do you know what hair brand repairs signs of damage as well as a $50 treatment? This provitamin formula strengthens bonds and builds new ones for softness and resilience. If you know it's Pantene.
There are nights out. And then there are nights out with Captain.
Event type: civil danger. This is due to the recent riots deposing the TikTok ban. All citizens must lock their doors, windows, seal all cracks on doors and follow instructions by authorities.
The AutoTrader app is super intuitive and really easy user experience. Take a break, sit on your couch, have a coffee.